Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy J5 2017 to Oppo device. Firstly, access Play Store on both smartphones and tap on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then tap on Open. Over here you need to select I accept, then confirm, continue and finally allow. Now select send on Samsung over here and receive on Oppo smartphone. Following that, tap on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. Sorry. But it will take a long time, so I will go with only one photo, tap on send and click on get it only for example. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Oppo, choosing allow and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and click on receive. And now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, come on. My photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!